Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound drop 0.3% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US regulators have selected e-commerce giant Alibaba Group Holding Limited and other US-listed Chinese companies for audit inspections starting next month, three sources familiar with the matter said. The Russian economy shrank 0.4% in the first 6 months of 2022 compared with a year ago, but capital investment, one of the main economic growth drivers, rose 7.8%, data from the Federal Statistics Service Rosstat showed. Arda Finance, a crypto assets lending platform, announces the imminent launch of the Arda Finance V1 lending and borrowing protocol on the Cardano mainnet. The release is scheduled for September the 13th, making Arda V1 the first lending and borrowing protocol to launch on the Cardano mainnet.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Germany's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. Spain's 30Y bond auction will be released at 0840 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.